Hello everyone, this is Marie, and for this book review I chose the book Rosie Revere, Engineer. This book was written by Andrea Beatty and illustrated by David Roberts. It's about the character Rosie Revere and how she overcame her fear of failure. The creators of this book have collaborated on other books that are similarly themed. One is titled Ada Twist Scientist, and the other one is called Iggy Peck Architect. To summarize, this book is about Rosie Revere, who is a second grader. Rosie likes to invent things and dreams of being an engineer, but she is shy and afraid to fail. She learns from her great-aunt, Rose, that it's okay to flop, because you can learn from your mistakes and try again. There are many themes found in this book. The main message to readers is that it's only a failure if you quit. This is a great lesson to learn because young students need to be encouraged, and they need to understand that in life, there are times when you will fail, but it's how you respond to the trials that matter. Throughout the book, there are facts about important women in aviation history, like Amelia Earhart and E. Lillian Todd. Another historical note in the book is about Rosie the Riveter, who was the fictional scarf-wearing character whose slogan was, "We can do it." She's found during World War II, which during this time millions of women all over the world entered the workforce to provide the food and equipment needed for the war effort. So throughout the book, Rosie Revere can be seen wearing the same scarf as Rosie the Riveter. The theme of a makerspace type classroom found in this book makes this relevant to our class, which is Technology for Educators. In the book, the second grade students at Blue River Creek School build and invent. The author has a very useful website of how to use her books to introduce science, technology, engineering, and math activities in the classroom. So if you go on this link, it'll show a lot of activities and resources for educators. Ways to incorporate makerspace type activities in the classroom. So, do I recommend this book? Yes, I think that students will benefit from reading this book. It was easy and entertaining to read. It has an encouraging message about doing your best, trying again, and celebrating creative and innovative ideas. It's a good way to introduce makerspace activities in the classroom. And so I do think that it's a great addition to a teacher's library. And thank you guys for watching my book review. And that's the end.